For meditation, there is no sleep. Because meditation,
That's what I was thinking.
half an hour of meditation is equal to 6 hours of sleep in terms of energy, in terms of rest. Of course, so Baba, meditation makes every sense. You don't have to sleep. Why do you go to sleep? Tell me first of all.
To relax.
So relaxation happens in meditation. So you don't want any sleep. You don't require any sleep. The whole night is for meditation. The whole night is for reading books. When do I read books? Daytime is my job. Nighttime I read all my books. 100,000 books. Half an hour of meditation is equal to 6 hours of sleep, Baba. You don't require any sleep. You have conquered sleep. The whole night time becomes productive. Daytime you do your duty to the world. Nighttime you do your duty to yourself. What do you do in the night? Sleep? Like this? No. You sit up and do meditation. Close your eyes and observe the breathing. You use your every night to become a strong soul. Night time is not for sleep at all. Night time is for your individual practice of meditation. And remember this equation always. Half an hour of meditation is equal to 6 hours of sleep. You will find it yourself if you try it. Imagine if every night is productive for you. Imagine your life, where it will go. Daytime do your homely duties, family duties, society duties, community duties. Full of duties daytime. Same duties as you were doing earlier. No change in your duties. Night time is yourself, your own time, for your own personal development. Night time read books. Night time do meditation.